In this example, we want to find our 5-number summary for the data set. So I'm going to start by finding the two easiest numbers to deal with, which would be our minimum and our maximum. If our data is in numerical order, then these should be super easy to find. So the minimum is our smallest number. So looking at our data, which is in fact in numerical order, we want to take our smallest number here, which is 60, and that's going to become our minimum. So I'm going to take that and just stick it right over here for minimum. And maximum is very similar. It's just the exact opposite. It is the greatest number in your data set, which in this case is 75. So 75 is our maximum. So the next number that we want to find is the median. You need to find the median before you can find your lower and upper quartiles. So the median is what cuts our data in half. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers in my data set. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So I'm going to move in 4 from each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So our median is going to be directly between these two. So it's not actually going to be a number in our data set. So the way that we find the median when it's not actually going to be a part of our data set is to take those two numbers closest to the median, like 65 and 68, and we're going to add them together. That gives us 133. Now 133 is not going to be our median. It's obviously not the number between 65 and 68. Remember, the median is the number exactly in the middle. So I need to take that 133 and we're actually going to divide it by 2. Essentially what we're doing, let me fix this here. Essentially what we're doing is finding the mean for those two numbers. So there's two numbers, we're going to divide it by 2. That will give us 66.5. which is going to become our median. And that median, again, is not part of our data set. So now to find my upper and lower quartiles, I now have to find the middle for these other halves of our data. So I'm going to look at my lower quartile first. And I have 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to count 65 because it's not my median. So that means I want the number that's going to be directly between 60 and 62. Hopefully you can see that that would be 61. And then if we look at the other side, I want to go 2 in here and 2 in here. Directly in the middle would be 69. So there we have our 5-number summary.